All right, let's make a cherry pineapple dump cake. This is a classic, so delicious, so easy. Let me show you how to make it. So into a greased 9x13 baking dish, I'm just going to spread out 1 can of cherry pie filling. Okay, and then I have a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Now I did drain it slightly. It's still a little wet, but I did get out some of the liquid. Okay, I'm using a white cake mix, but you could use a yellow cake mix. And I'm just going to sprinkle this cake mix all over top. Okay, so I like a little bit of nuts with mine. You could put pecans on here, but I'm going to add some sliced almonds. Just right over top. Okay, then I'm just going to take 1 stick of butter here, and I'm going to slice it and just put these slices all around the top. All right, so then bake in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Look at it. Oh, yum. All right, I cannot wait. I'm digging in. Come and check this out. Well, I don't have any ice cream. I don't have any Cool Whip. But I do have cold foam. So I'm going to put a little cold foam on top. It's like whipped cream. It's just a little thinner. Yeah. Well, that is delightful. It has been a while. It has been a while since I have had this. Oh my goodness, where have you been? Been hiding. Perfect for summer. You could change it up and use apple pie filling, blueberry pie filling. It's so tasty. You want to make this. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.